Hey guys, today we are back with another video. Oh, how's it going? What's up? Today we're going to be doing another Java Instrumental video and we're already on tutorial number 7. So get pumped because today we are going to learn about the different types of loops. So there are 3 main types of loops. A for loop, FOR, a do loop, a for loop, a do while loop, and a while loop. So today we're going to be learning about the simplest of the loops, and it's called a while loop. And then in the future videos, we're going to be learning with other 2 types. So let's go ahead and open up NetBeans, take away the old stuff. And as you can see, in a lot of videos, we have a lot of reviews because that's really the way to build Java skills is by reviewing all skills and integrating them with your new Java skills. So to get started, let me just show you the format of a while loop, okay? So it's very similar to an if-then statement, okay? So you basically type while, and then you do parentheses, and then in the next line you're going to do curly bracket set, okay? So it's basically saying that, like, while this parameter is true, whatever you type inside here, like for example, I can say while number of bananas is greater than 7, okay, then I'm going to say in here what I want to happen. Like I'm going to say while number of bananas is less than 7, and then over here is greater than 7, and then inside the curly brackets I'm going to say the monkey is happy, okay? So it's basically called a while loop. So your computer basically keeps checking this parameter instance of the while loop inside the parentheses, and if that is true, only then will it move on to this part, okay? So it's called a loop because it keeps repeating itself as long as the parameter inside the while loop is true, okay? So let's get started. So first, I'm going to be using scanner again. So as you can see, we've already import java.util.scanner, okay? So now I'm going to ask them, we're going to make kind of a fun thing today, so I'm going to ask them system.out.println how many Instagram followers do you have? Okay, and you can see I made a mistake here because that's capitalized, and then I'll put the semicolon here, okay? Okay, and then now I'm going to make my scanner so that I can receive the answer and store it, okay? So I'm just going to do scanner, the name of the scanner, okay? So I'll just do scanner, I'll call it answer, okay? Is equal to new, and then scanner system dot in, and then follow a semicolon, okay? So, back up for a second. Okay, now it's fixed. Okay, so as you can see, we made a scanner here, okay? So first, we made class name scanner, and then we made the object, which is answer, it's the name of our scanner, and then new, the scanner name once again, and then we typed in system.in, okay? So, after we figured out how many Instagram followers we have, we want the answer to be recorded, right? So we're gonna say, we have a variable, followers, so this is going to be an integer, right? So we're going to do int followers. It's a variable, so I have to assign in Java what type of variable it is. It's going to be integer because they're going to give us a consistent number with all decimal places, okay? So int followers is equal to it was the name of the scanner here, answer dot next int. Sorry if you do have typos. Okay, so let's see, maybe it should be low. And then after answer the next int, I have to put this in, the parentheses set, and that's it, okay? So I just wrote the define new variable here, int followers, which is answer that next instant, okay? Now we store their answer into here, okay? Into the variable followers. And then we're gonna make a while, okay? So we're gonna say while followers is less than 20. Okay, so while followers is greater than 20, and then we're gonna put everything into the while loop, into the curly bracket. Okay, so while followers is greater than 20, then do this. Okay, and then we're gonna tell it to first say system dot out dot print ln. Wow, you are Insta famous. Okay, and then we're gonna have it print out while you're Insta famous and thing you, and then we're gonna have it print out how many followers we currently have. Okay, so we have system dot out dot print ln followers, and then equals the variable followers. Okay, and then what we're gonna do is we are taking much after this. So what we're going to do next, after we've told them why you're Insta famous and told them how many followers to have, we want the number of followers to change every time, right? Otherwise the followers will always be greater than 20, and this will always be true, and it's going to be doing this forever, right? So we want to decrease the number of followers every time. So we're just gonna write followers equals followers, minus 5. So it's as simple as that, okay? So once again, we did while this condition is true, while the followers is greater than 20, print out while you are famous, and then the number of followers, and then every time after that, you are going to subtract 5 from the number of followers. And then the computer will loop back to the beginning, which is why it's called a loop, and check again. If the follower is greater than 20, then it's going to do this, otherwise it's going to stop. So now let's go ahead and run our program and see what happens. How many get Instagram followers do I have? Let's pretend I'm super Insta famous and pretend that I have 25 followers. Okay, so it says, wow, you are Insta famous. And it says followers was 25. So, now, why did it only tell me this once? Well, the answer is because after it ran 25 through here once, and after it subtracted 5 in the while loop, when it came back and followers was now equal to 20, followers was not greater than 20. And this time that was not true. So then it just stopped and didn't continue the loop. Now if I type in a number bigger than 25, for example, if I type in 40, it's going to continue the loop until that parameter is not true, until followers is greater than 20 is not true. So as you can see, it kept subtracting 5 and continuing the loop until followers was not greater than 20. So that's how we do a while loop. And the difference between this and an if then loop is in a while loop you can keep doing the then statement as long as the parameter in the while loop is true. So please come back for more and subscribe below. Thank you. See you next time.